my childhood memory. My mom used to sing this to me when I was a little boy. What memories? Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. If you see a crocodile, don't forget to scream. Row, row, row your boat gently down the Nile. If you see a camel, don't forget to smile. Row, row, row your boat, see the water run. Rowing here and rowing there, oh, we're almost done. Row, row, row your boat gently to the shore. If you see a lion there, don't forget to roar. Row, row, row your boat gently down the creek. If you see a little mouse, don't forget to squeak. Row, row, row your boat gently down the river. If you see a polar bear, don't forget to shiver. Row, row, row your boat all across the puddle. If you see your mommy there, give her a lovely cuddle. Row, row, row your boat in your bubble bed. If you see a spider, don't forget to laugh. Row, row, row your boat gently to the beach. If you see a dinosaur, don't forget to screech. Row, row, row your boat gently up the brook. If you catch a little fish, let it off the hook. Row, row, row your boat out into the bay. If you see a pirate ship, sail the other way. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. What a beautiful song. What beautiful memories. I miss you, Mom.